Okay, there's a good Python program to solve Sudoku puzzles on Computerphile. Nice little video starring Professor Thorsten Altenkirch. Possibly the right pronunciation, who knows, but very entertaining person. Anyway, there's a couple of comments in that video saying they want to see the code. The code is in the video, but because he's using a Python in a bit of software called Jupyter, it kind of, you don't see the whole code, so you may not. This is just to show you it in a standard text editor. So let me 3 minutes 15, about 30% along the video. Just key the number 3 if you've got a desktop or laptop, and we test the possible function just to check if it's working. So you import numpy, typed out the grid and the possible function, and the bit he's just inputting into the Jupyter software, but in a program you've got to print the Boolean outcome, the logical outcome of the possible function. So he tries 3 and 5. It's going to give false and true, that it's possible or not. So that's that bit, and as he says, the exciting bit to solve the whole puzzle, 7 minutes 36, 70% along the way. Just key in the number 7 on a keyboard. So yeah, the whole code is that. So obviously you import the numpy, type in the grid, the possible function, the solve function. It's going to the print and the input. It's all part of the solve function. So the program is just one line. At 47 is solve, calling the solve function. The solve function calls the possible function. Yada yada. Then you ultimately prints out the solved grid. And if there's 2 functions, this one is a second iteration where there's 2 zeros in the grid there, so there's 2 things. Watch the Computerphile video because it's good. So I'm going to tap enter again. Let's get the other thing, because there's 2 solutions to that one. Anyway, that is that. Ta-ta.